Hello! In this video we're going to show you how to program your transmitter remote to your garage door operator with Smart Learn button feature. This video will cover how to program most brands like LiftMaster, Genie, Chamberlain, and other manufacturers.
To locate your Learn button, locate your antenna wire and follow it to the control panel. Your Learn button will be in the control panel. First, press the Learn button on your operator. The operator light will light up. Then press the button on your remote to activate the connection. At that moment, the operator light will blink. Press the same button again on the transmitter to complete the programming. And last, you can press the transmitter button to operate your garage opener. Now let's go over the programming procedure one more time using an exterior receiver. Locate and press the Learn button on the receiver. A light indicator will turn on the operator and blink. Then press the button on the transmitter that you would like to program. And then press the same button again on the remote to complete the programming. And lastly, press the remote one more time to operate your garage door opener. If you follow these steps and the programming did not work, it may be that your receiver memory is full. To clear the receiver memory, press and hold the Learn button for 30 seconds. Also, if you want to reset your remotes for security reasons, the same method applies. Thank you for watching the NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com video. Now please subscribe to our channel so we can continue making informational videos like this.